I am Meghna Parikh, and today we are here to start the lecture series of the Mathematics 1. In last session, we are discussed about the limit, continuity and example of the limits, and also see that the example of the continuity. Today we are start from the partial derivative, first lecture part 1. What is a partial derivative? A partial derivative of a function for several variables is the ordinary derivative with respect to one of the variable when all the remaining variable are kept constant. Consider a function u equal to f of xy. Here u is a dependent variable and xy is an independent variable. In the partial derivative of the function, we say that u equal to f of xy with respect to x is given by del u by del x equal to del u by del x equal to ux. So this is the three type of the notation of the differentiation. Partial derivative of function u f of xy with respect to y, we say that del by del u equal to del u by del y equal to u of subscript y. Okay. Remark, standard rule for the derivative of the sum, difference and product and quotient are applicable for the partial derivative. Partial derivative of the first order. The partial derivative of f of xy with respect to x at the point of x0, y0 is given by del f by del x, x0, y0. We are applying limit h tends to 0, then we get f of x0 plus h0, y0 minus f of x0, y0 upon h. This is the basic definition of the limit and also derivative. Provide the limit exists. The partial derivative of f of xy with the respect to y at the point x0, y0 is given by del f by del y, x0, y0, limit k tends to 0, x0, y0 plus k minus f of x0, y0 k. This is the definition of the derivative formation of the one variable function. So we are applying for the different independent variable. Here x is an independent variable, then we are taking a h tends to 0, is their case, is a y is a independent variable, then we taking k tends to 0. Provide the limit. Example, let z equal to f of xy be a function of two independent variable, then write the formal definition of the partial derivative del f by del x and del f by del y at x0, y0. Use the definition to find del f by del x and del f by del y at the point 3 minus 2 if function is x square plus xy minus 2y square minus 1. This is our example. Now solution. We are taking z equal to f of xy by the definition of first order partial derivative. What is the definition of the first order partial derivative? Del f by del x. Limit is x0, y0, limit h tends to 0, f of x0 plus h, y0 minus f of x0, y0 upon h. We say that it is equation 1. And second then del f by del y, x0, y0 equal to limit k tends to 0, x0, y0 plus k minus f of x0, y0 upon k. We say that it is equation number 2. Now, we take f of xy, that means function x square plus xy minus 2y square minus 1 and limit point is 3 minus 2. From the equation 1, del f by del x x0 y0 is the definition limit h tends to 0 f of x0 plus h y0 minus f of x0 y0 upon h. This is the function. So we are applying what? X0 is 3. Our x0 is 3. What is h? As it is. What is y0? Y0 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 minus f of 3 minus 2 upon h. Okay. So, it is our x. Here, in that case, we are replacing x equal to 3 plus h. So, as per the function, it is x. Then we write 3 plus h whole square. X, 3 plus h. What is our y? Y is minus 2 plus 2, y minus 2 whole square minus 1 minus value of function 3. x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2 upon h as it is. So we getting 9 plus 6h plus h square minus 6 minus 2h minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 and h. So solve this limit, we getting 4h plus h square by h. Then we are applying h tends to 0, we get answer is 4. Now second part of the function, we have f of xy equal to x square plus xy minus 2y square minus 1. x0 y0 equal to 3 minus 2. From equation 2, we are taking del f by del y, x0 y0, limit k tends to 0, f of x0 y0 plus k, f of x0 y0 upon k. Okay, now here x0 equal to 3 and y0 equal to minus 2. Okay, so see x0 3, y0 minus 2, k as it is, x0 3, y0 minus 2. Put this value in function. So we getting 3, 3 as a x, minus 2 plus k minus 2, 2 plus k whole square minus 1, minus 3 square plus 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 whole square minus 1 upon k. Solve this limit, we getting 11k minus 2k square plus k. Applying k tends to 0, we get answer is 11. So if we are applying for the del f by del x and apply limit x0 y0 3 minus 2, we getting 4 answer, and for the del f by del y we are getting answer 11. Let u equal to f of xy be a function of 3 independent variables. Then write the formal definition of the partial derivative del f by del z at x0 y0 z0. Use the definition of defined function del f by del z at the point of 1 to 3. For function is x square y z square. Now we are taking function u equal to x y z. Definition of the first order partial derivative del f by del z x0 y0 z0. Definition is x0 y0 z0 plus h minus x0 y0 z0 upon h. We have f of xyz equal to x square yz square and x0 y0 z0 equal to 1 to 3. So for the del f by del z, limit h tends to 0, f of x0 y0 z0 plus h. Applying this in the function, x0 is 1, y0 is 2, z0 is 3, h 1 2 3. What is the function? Function is x square y z square, x square 1 square y 2 square z square 3 plus h whole square. Applying 1 2 3, so we getting 12h plus 2h square by h. Apply h tends to 0, we getting value 12. Okay, first is find del f by del x and del f by del y for f of xy equal to 0, where function is e raised to minus x sin x plus y. Okay, now f of xy equal to e raised to minus x sin x plus y, del f by del x, then del by del x of e raised to minus x sin x plus y. Here x is a function, x is a function, both function containing same variable, so we are applying multiplication rule, that is u into v. So u as it is, differentiation of v, v as it is, differentiation of u. So e raised to minus x d by dx of sin x plus y is cos x plus y, del by del x x plus y, sin x plus y as it is, and del by del x of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus. So e raised to minus x cos x plus y minus e raised to minus x sin y, and last answer is of del f by del x is e raised to minus x cos x plus y minus sin x plus y. For the del f by del y, here see it is a function x and it is a x plus y. So this is not the same variable function, so we are directly differentiate this function. E raised to minus x is the constant for with respect to y. So e raised to minus x as it is, differentiation of sin x plus y, e raised to minus x cos x plus y d by dx of x plus y, e raised to minus x cos x plus y 1. So answer is e raised to minus x cos x plus y. Find fx and fy. Fx and fy, that means del f by del x and del f by del y. It is also del f by del x. It is del f by del y. For f of xy equal to x plus y, 2x plus sin y. So, our function xy equal to 2x plus y, 2x plus sin y. Del f by del x, del by del x, x plus y, 2x plus sin y. That is u by v rule. It is in denominator v square. V as it is, differentiation of u minus u as it is, differentiation of v. So, what is our v? 2x plus sin y. It is 2x plus sin y whole square. V as it is, so here v as it is, differentiation of u with respect to x. So, it is 1 and with respect to x, y differentiation is 0. Then 1 plus 0, then minus and u as it is, differentiation of v. What is differentiation of v? 2 plus 0, because x is a 1 and y is a 0. There is a constant with respect to x. Solve this equation, we getting sin y minus 2y upon 2x plus sin y whole square is the answer of f of x. For fy, the fy equal to del by del y, x plus y, 2x plus sin y. Again we are taking u by v rule, 2x plus sin y whole square, v as it is. Then differentiation of x plus y with respect to y, it is 0 plus 1, x plus y as it is. Differentiation of 2x plus sin y with respect to y, it is 0 plus cos y. So, we getting solution as a 2x plus sin y minus x cos y minus y cos y, 2x plus sin y whole square. Find del z by del x if the equation yz minus ln z, ln natural log equal to x plus y. Define z as a function of the two independent variable x and y and the partial derivative exists. Solution: yz minus ln, that means natural log z equal to x plus y, differentiate with respect to x. So, it is yz ln z x plus y. Y as it is del z by del x, 1 by z, del z by del x equal to 1 plus z. Del z by del x equal to y minus 1 by z equal to 1. So, del z by del x is 1 upon y minus 1z. So, del z by del x equal to z upon yz minus 1. Now, find f of x, f of y and f of z for the function x plus under root y square plus z square. Find fx, del f by del x with respect to x, x plus y square plus z square. So, we are getting 1 plus 0, f of x 1. Del f by del y, x plus y square plus z square. Differentiation of x is 0. For these, it is 1 by 2 under root y square plus z square also into 2y. It is a chain rule, g of f of x rule. Okay. First of all, differentiation of original function, then subsidiary function. So, we are getting f of y upon under root y square plus z square. Now, f equal to x plus y square plus under root y square plus z square, we are differentiate with respect to z. X is 0, 1 upon 2 under root y square plus z square and 2z as per the chain rule. So, answer is z upon under root y square plus z square. Here we have listed some example of the do yourself. Thank you.